Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel AZ Education Adda. In this lecture, we will discuss one important problem of mathematics from the topic trigonometry. Before starting the discussion, I would like to tell you, if you want to get more important problems of mathematics, you can visit our website education-adda.com. Link of the website is also available in the description box of the video. So how you can get all these questions, you need to visit our website education-adda.com, then go to menu option and select Academics Adda. Under Academics Adda, you need to select Math Important Questions. Okay friends, one more thing, all these questions are available in the form of video lectures on our YouTube channel and the playlist is titled as Math Important Questions. Okay. So coming back to the discussion, what is given here, we need to evaluate the following. Some expressions are given and then we have to find the values of all these expressions. These are all trigonometric expressions. So first one is given as sine of 5 pi by 4, right? So 5 pi by 4 we can write it as pi plus pi by 4. So 5 pi by 4 will be equal to pi plus pi by 4, and we know that sine of pi plus theta is equal to minus of sine theta, because pi plus theta will lie in the third quadrant, and in third quadrant our sine value will be negative. Okay, so sine of pi plus theta equal to minus of sine theta, and so it will become minus sine pi by 4. Okay, and we know the value of sine pi by 4 is equal to root 2 by 2. Okay, which is same as 1 by root 2. So this can be written as minus of root 2 by 2, substituting the value of sine pi by 4. Therefore our answer will be sine pi by 5 pi by 4 equal to minus root 2 by 2. Similarly, in the second problem, you can see here we have to find the value of cos 2 pi by 3, and we can write 2 pi by 3 as pi minus pi by 3, right? And we know that cos of pi minus theta is equal to minus of cos theta, as pi minus theta will lie in the second quadrant, and in second quadrant cos value is negative. So we will get this as minus cos pi by 3, and cos pi by 3 is equal to 1 by 2. The value of cos pi by 3 equal to 1 by 2. So substituting here we will get as minus 1 by 2. Therefore cos 2 pi by 3 equal to minus 1 by 2. In part C we need to find the value of tan of minus 3 pi by 4. Here this angle is negative, and we know that tan of minus theta equal to minus tan theta. Okay, so it can be written as minus of tan 3 pi by 4, and 3 pi by 4 we can write as pi minus pi by 4. So it will become minus of minus tan pi by 4, because see, my tan of pi minus theta, or we can say pi minus theta, will lie in the second quadrant, and in second quadrant tan value is negative. Okay, so tan of pi minus pi by 4 will be equal to minus of tan pi by 4, and here it is minus into minus, so it will become positive and tan pi by 4, and we know the value of tan pi by 4 will be equal to 1. Therefore tan of minus 3 pi by 4 equal to 1. Okay, and in the next problem, part D, we need to find the value of sec of minus 5 pi by 4. Okay, and sec of minus theta will be equal to sec theta, because in fourth quadrant, because coming this will lie in the fourth quadrant, and in fourth quadrant cos value will be positive. So cos and sec both are reciprocal of each other. Therefore sec 5 pi by 4 will be positive. Okay, so this will become sec of minus 5 pi by 4 equal to sec 5 pi by 4, and 5 pi by 4 can be written as pi plus pi by 4. Okay, so it will become sec of pi plus pi by 4, and we know that sec of pi plus theta equal to minus sec theta, because it will pi plus theta will lie in the third quadrant, and in third quadrant cos theta as well as sec theta will be negative. Okay, So sec of pi plus pi by 4 will be equal to minus of sec pi by 4, and sec pi by 4 can be written as 1 by cos pi by 4, because sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta, right? And we know the value of cos pi by 4 equal to 1 by root 2. So substituting this value will get minus root 2. Okay. Therefore, we can write sec of minus 5 pi by 4 equal to minus root 2. So this will be our answer. Okay, friends. So in this lecture, we have discussed one important problem of mathematics. Okay. Thank you.